as my partner was concluding over at the Tulpulkin Creek, we took a pH level test over there, and now back at school in Franco building, let's take a pH level here, we'll test here, and see what the results are. So let's do it. It's just one of our local water fountains that all of us seem to use every once in a while. And we can't afford something to drink. Alright, let's give it a moment to collect the results. Now when you're taking a pH level test, it's always important not to shake any of the excess water off of the test. That's going to tamper with your results, and I mean, any tampering of your results really isn't what's desired for the test. So, give it about 5-6 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can shake the water off. So, as I'm looking here, kind of matching everything up to the test, and we're just kind of looking at where everything matches up with the levels. Test getting here, it's kind of interesting because we're finding that the 4 different indicators for the test, some of them are showing up in different areas, which meaning that it's not perfectly square. We have the first red one coming in at about roughly between 6.8 and 7.8. On a previous test we've also taken on this water fountain right here, we got a test result closer to 7.8, so I mean, it's only natural for your results to fluctuate here and there. But I'm looking closer and the results are still, coming in. And we're looking at definitely 6.8 to 7.2 is leaning more towards this time. That is for the pH reading, the pH reading itself. As we were saying earlier, a pH reading test also comes with a few other tests that you can do. It's all on the same strip, so it's really not too much to worry about. I mean, if we want to go into them, the free chlorine reading of this is at 0, so it's pretty good. The total alkalinity of this is actually, I'd say, the most interesting part of this test that we've just taken. Total alkalinity comes in at about 180. I mean, that just means that it's got some alkaline in it. It's not really the best, but I mean, it's still safe for drinking water, and it's really not going to bring your body any harm. It just might have a different type of taste to it. I mean, if that's what you're into. Just kidding. But, I mean, definitely keep the alkalinity level in mind when you're doing a pH level test, because it's very important. Also, we have the stabilizer. To be honest with you, I'm not quite sure what the stabilizer test means. I have to do further research. But we can also see that the stabilizer test is between 30 and 35, which is labeled here as ideal for what you would want your water to be. So we're also looking pretty good here at Penn State Berks. So to recap everything, our pH level, the most important part of our test and the main focus of our presentation right here, pH level of our Penn State drinking water reads between 6.8 and 7.8, which is definitely good for drinking water and any water of other types of purposes. Speaking about how our pH level is between 6.8 and 7.8, we got a really good level here. The neutral level for our pH is at 7, so anywhere around there is what you would want. The pH level for a salt water would be anywhere from 6.5 and below. So as we can see, we're 6.8 and above to 7.8. So we're looking pretty good here. While looking at my research, the pH level of a hard water is around 7.5, 7.58 and above. Yeah, we're coming in at 7.8, but as I said before, our results are continuously fluctuating with each test we do. So it's kind of difficult to get a perfect reading. But as you can see, if it's around 7, give or take a few, we're definitely good. So the water here at Penn State Berks, I mean, we're good. I mean, we're definitely good to be drinking here.
So in conclusion, throughout the whole day, with looking at the pH at the Tulpulkin River, which was 8.4, so that means that the water was relatively high. And looking at the pH here in the Penn State Berks at the water fountain, which was actually a 6.8 to 7.8. So that means that it's relatively neutral. So everybody's good for drinking. And let me just pass it off to Ben real quick for you.
We hope that everything we've done today, the two tests, the test of the Tulpehoken River showing that the river water there is relatively hard, to extremely hard water. And the water here at Penn State Berks is very neutral, really safe. We hope that this information and our kind of insight on what the pH level really is, because before this, our knowledge of pH really wasn't sufficient. So we hope that our research and our kind of enlightenment to you guys has really kind of helped you in knowing what a pH level really is, knowing what it entails, and kind of reading what might be in your water concerning acids and alkalinity. And as well as we hope our presentation has hoped to spread awareness about our water pollution and certain problems we're having with our drinking water, and we hope that it really shows concern. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy.